And we're back to learning JavaScript on Exercism. This time I'm going to go over Roman numerals. We go to Exercises, and there you should find it when you are in JavaScript. We had something similar in a free codecamp curriculum as well. All that we want to do here is a simple number conversion. So for example, 1 would get converted to I, and so forth. There's also a link given. So if you can't recall all of these Roman numerals, check it out. I want to create a result, which we are going to return in the end. So this is going to be the Roman numeral conversion. And we use a number. So this is the 1990, for example. I've created an object where I have stored all of these Roman numerals. So once again, here's the link. We'll start at 1000 with M, and then we go down to 1 with I. Let me correct the typo here, but I should have covered it all now. We are still in this toRoman function, and inside I've now used a for loop to go through my object. And in the end I want to return a result, obviously, so let me add that here so that I don't forget. It should be after the for loop. For loop, I need a counter. I'll just call that I. So let I in our object, Roman numerals. We want to find what we need and then add it to our results, but we want to only do so under certain conditions. So I used a while here. The condition refers to our number, and the number should be bigger or equal to Roman numerals at position I, so our counter. And if this is the case, we'll add I to our result. And we'll subtract our Roman numerals at position I from our number. And this should already be the solution if I haven't made any mistakes. It looks good. So let's go over a couple of examples just so that it becomes clear. Here, for example, we've got 1 as a number and we want to convert it to I. So right here, number is equal to 1, and our result in the end should be equal to I. How does it work in detail? At first our result is empty. In code line 7 we've got our object. Let's jump to the for loop directly. It goes through the entire object step by step, so line by line you could say. And when number is bigger or equal to Roman numerals at position I, which would be right here, code line 22. So there number is 1 and I is 1. At this position our result would be plus equal to I, which would be 1. So in the beginning it was 0 plus 1 equals obviously I. So I would be stored in our result. And in code line 28, number, which was 1, is now equal to number minus Roman numerals at position I, which would be right here, 1 as well, therefore number is now 0 in the next iteration, and then this while condition is not true anymore, as number is now 0, and this is smaller than Roman numerals at position I, therefore this one is broken and will go directly to our return in code line 31, where the result is given, and this is now I, and we've successfully converted 1 to I. Let's go over another example, maybe test 7. It's number 9, and we want to have ix as a result. So again, we'll go over our object with a counter, and the while uses number this time as a condition. Right here in code line 19, number is bigger or equal than Roman numerals I. So our result stores the ix. And in code line 28, we'll have number minus Roman numerals I, which will be 9 minus 9 equals 0. We go over a final example that's a little bit more complex. Let's say test 11. xlix should be the result for 49. So we have more than one iteration that works for our while. The first one, number is 49. First time this is bigger or equal to Roman numerals at I is right here in code line 17. This is the xl for 40. Therefore xl is stored in our result. In the next code line we have 49 minus 40. So number is now 9 for the next iteration, which is the rest. And now we'll end up right here in code line 19. This is the ix for 9, and number is 9 minus 9 equals 0. The result is returned, which is xlix. And this is how you can solve this Roman numerals exercise on Exercism using JavaScript. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.